The lazy monkey. In a dense jungle, there lived many animals. Coco was one of them. Coco was a lazy little monkey. Everyone knew he was the laziest of them all. Instead of working hard to get his own food, Coco liked to steal food from other animals' nests. One day, Coco sneaked into a gorilla's home and stole his bananas. The gorilla was a kind animal and did not want to punish Coco, but he wanted him to learn the value of hard work by himself. Once, Coco climbed up a tall tree and saw something on the ground. It looked strange, so he got closer and closer. It was a basket filled with a lot of delicious fruit. Coco could not help but jump into the basket. The poor little monkey fell with the basket into a deep hole. It was a trap set by some hunters. The hunters came out of their hide, put Coco in their truck, and drove him away to the zoo. The moral of the story is, hard work pays off, and laziness gets into trouble.